A video. Hey guys, it's a vibe. My name is Trisanya and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. If you're not new, hey girl, how you doing? Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Hi guys, today we're at the beach, as you guys saw in the clips, and yeah. And we're just gonna unpack. We're gonna get our chairs from the back. And we got food too. We got Dairy Queen, the DQ. Yeah, we didn't want DQ. We wanted something. We should have went to the Jamaican spots. But no students. I can't breathe in this. I'm forgetting to breathe out now. Oh my god. Yes, I said air, but it was like. Try to do it right. Try to do it wrong. I think I do like this. You know, probably. We'll come back out. Okay, guys. So we're gonna be snorkeling. So I just about to put hers on. that little girl screaming out there on them jet skis. Okay, so we're snorkeling, and that's what we're about to do. Actually, you put your snorkel on? You put yours on? Girl, I ain't never did this before.
Y'all, one day, come pick me up. Give me a ride. Look, y'all, they got their stuff in tow, child. They got their bags and everything. I know that's right. We'll pick you right up. Slow. Better hurry up before they leave. Where yours at? Where your thing at? Y'all just move something. Get out my hand. You got yours?
No.
You put it up there?
No.
Well, I gotta find it.
Mommy.
I'm going under.
Oh my gosh, look at all this. What is that?
Oh no, come on, let me go under.
Mommy, you lost it?
I know, you recording me?
Yeah.
I had it on my arm, I guess I was trying to put this on.
Oh, these are a bunch of shells. Y'all, this is a bunch of shells.
I'm not going to return until I find your stick. She's getting ready to go on a mission for diving.
We're shooting.
She's preparing to go to dive in 400 feet of water. 400 feet of water. Don't.
Did you find anything?
Go. But I will attempt to do it again. Hold on. I can't breathe. I'm dying.
Did you find everything? Yeah.
I think it's gone forever. It's hard. I don't know how to do that.
Ew, look. They're all under here.
I don't know how to do that either. Zombies.
Is it two you want to do to go or for here?
To go, we just want to shave ice.
Shave ice? Alright. I just don't have coconut and I don't have a blue raspberry. And I can combine up to two flavors.
You got it? So which one you want? Oh yeah, she got the menu right here.
And she said no blue raspberry and no coconut.
Yes, ma'am.
Can I get and you can combine them too, right?
I can combine up to two of them for you.
Can I get bubble gum and dream circle?
And dreamsicle. Gotcha. Anything for you, ma'am?
No, nothing.
You good?
Yeah.
Just that for you?
Yeah.
Go. $3.75. I can do cash or card, whichever one.
So this is towards the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. We just had a little beach day at the beach, about 45 minutes away from where we stay. No, 45 minutes away from where we stay. That's her little model walk that she always be doing at home. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time in the next video. Model walk. Let me see a model walk this way. To the car. Cause she finna do her model walk. What you call it? The IG walk? What you be calling it? It's okay, she's gonna do her model walk. Let's see how she's doing at home. A video. Here's some ribs. Look at chicken.